Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a treasure trove for video editors. For fans of cool presets and effects, this is a group with tons of packs and collections of custom and popular influencer presets. Just look at how much there is here. And I've only scrolled through 5% of it all. Let's download something small. Next, we need to get the password for the archive. I see the numbering here, and our preset is number 67. So I go here and get the password. Then I can apply this preset in After Effects. It already worked, but I'll add a shaker, and yes, everything worked. Look how much there is here.